This hall is also named in his memory. Shri Bhupendra Singh Hooda is a legendary in Indian politics. He is a person with pious and kind heart with clean image. He has been a member of the Lok Sabha for 4 times and members of the Haryana Vidhan Sabha 3 times. District Bar Association Rohtak is proud of him. Now I welcome the Honorable Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court, Shri Mukul Mudgal. He got his early education from Modern School, Barakhamba Road, New Delhi, and thereafter did his BSc Honours from Hindu College, Delhi University, and LLB also from the Law Faculty, Delhi University. He was a member of the Model School swimming team. He also represented the Hindu College and Delhi University in aquatics and water polo. The Honorable Judge also remained captain in Law Faculty of the aquatic team. Honorable Shri Mukul Mudgal enrolled as an advocate in the year 1973 at Delhi and practiced in Supreme Court and Delhi High Court since 1973. His Lordship was a member Secretary Treasurer of the Supreme Court Legal Aid Committee. He conducted cases in civil law, constitutional law, labor law, and public interest litigation, and successfully represented 8 banned cricketers in the Supreme Court in 1989. Further, his Lordship championed the cause of environmental law, including the CNG case. He also remained member of the National Legal Service Authority, Court of Arbitration for Sport, Geneva, and Governing Council of the Indian Law Institute. On 2nd March 1998, he was appointed as a judge of the Delhi High Court and now elevated as Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court on 5th December 2009. I also welcome the Honorable Inspecting Judge of Rohtak Session Division, Shri Rajesh Bindal. His Lordship got his education from Ambala City and graduated from Punjab University, Chandigarh. His Lordship is a law graduate from Kurukshetra University and joined profession directly at High Court in September 1985. He represented Chandigarh administration before Central Administrative Tribunal for more than a decade. Very important that he remained associated on behalf of the state of Haryana in the dispute concerning Satluj Yamuna water with state of Punjab before the Honorable Iradi Tribunal and Apex Court. He also remained standing counsel for the Income Tax Department. His Lordship also remained member of the National Executive of the All India Federation of the Tax Practitioners. Before elevation, he was Vice President of the North Zone of the All India Federation of Tax Practitioners. His Lordship was elevated as the judge of the Punjab and Haryana High Court on March 22, 2006. I also welcome Honorable Justice Jaswant Singh. He was born at Rohtak and did his schooling at Mussoorie and Model School Rohtak. His Lordship is a law graduate and Master of Business Management from Maharishi Dayanand University, Rohtak. His Lordship has held the post of Assistant Advocate General, Deputy Advocate General, Senior Deputy Advocate General, and Additional Advocate General, and represented the state on civil side. His Lordship has a keen interest in lawn tennis, golf, and cricket. His Lordship was elevated as a judge of the Punjab and Haryana High Court on 5th December 2007. On this occasion, I also welcome Shri Shadilal Batra, member Rajya Sabha, who is a distinguished and senior member of the bar. I also welcome Shri Dipendra Singh Hooda, member Lok Sabha. I also welcome Shri H.S. Hooda of Rohtak Radar, Advocate General at Punjab and Haryana High Court, Chandigarh. I also take the opportunity to welcome Adish Chandra Agarwal, a product of District Bar Association Rohtak. He started his profession at Rohtak as an advocate. District Bar Association congratulates him and is proud of him. I also welcome distinguished guests, dignitaries, judicial officers, as well as officers of the state and district administration. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now may I please request Dr. Adish Chandra Agarwal,
brothers and sisters in the legal profession. I, being the product of this bar, as I practiced in this bar, I was born here, I studied here. I welcome all of you because I always consider whether I am in any part of the world, with proud, I tell everyone that I am from Rohtak. So on behalf of Rohtak, I welcome all the persons who have come from outside Rohtak. And whatever today I am always due to being born in Rohtak, being practiced in Rohtak, whatever achievements I had in the legal profession, as a bar leader, it is only due to you. And when I come to know that my friends, whenever I visit and some our lawyers or judges tell me that Mr. Agarwal, about you such and such, especially Mr. Bharat Bhushan Batra, who just welcomed all of you, so I'm really thankful to him. I will not say more because time is very short. Today we have 2 functions, but I can tell one thing, that I salute the Honorable Chief Justice of India, that he has accepted my request to meet all of you. This is the first time that any Chief Justice of India ever visited on the invitation of any bar association. Even Lordship could not visit his district bar association in Kerala. So I have no words to express my sense of gratitude that your Lordship and the Honorable Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana accepted our request, and they have opened this Dr. B.R. Ambedkar library here, which is the oldest bar, and now this bar is getting so much united. Earlier, people used to say that the people of Rohtak never unite. But I'm happy when the present Chief Minister has took the reins of Haryana, everybody want that Rohtak people should rise. And with these remarks, I am so much thankful that all of you have joined, although this hall is very small, and I will expect the Honorable Chief Minister, who is a member of this bar, who is the patron of this bar, will further help, because he has been always helping this bar, being the member of, not as Chief Minister, but as member of this bar. So he will further help this bar association. And one thing more, I will tell, because Chief Minister is here, the Honorable Chief Justice of India is here, the Honorable Chief Justice of the High Court is here, that when we are thinking of expediting the disposal of the cases, as the Lordship has started the concept of courts counsel, courts clerk in Supreme Court and High Court, in District Court also, we have to start this concept that every new lawyer has to remain a court counsel, or because we don't want to use the word of court clerk, because in Haryana, our clerks are who are helping the lawyer in maintaining the diary or inspecting the record. So in District Court also, it should be made compulsory that every young new lawyer entrant in the legal profession should be asked that he has to undergo 1 year this program, and he should be paid 15,000 rupees per month, so that the cases, the judges will get the facility of having the support from the young lawyer, and the young lawyer will also have the opportunity of working hard, because when he is working as a junior with somebody, he is not getting full experience.